Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Chat and locating the conversation where you want video. Click the small camera icon to start the video flow now. It triggers permission prompts. When the browser asks, allow camera and microphone access so the app can stream video. Once done, make sure the correct device is selected from the camera menu. Built-in webcams versus external USB devices may appear, so choose the one you want, and give it a second to initialize before moving on. Now focus on device selection and preview so your video looks and sounds right. Open the camera menu inside the call and pick the correct webcam, then select your microphone and speaker. Use the preview window to check framing, lighting, and background, and adjust position or brightness if needed. Once done, close any other apps that might be locking the camera, because conflicts are common. If the camera remains invisible, restart the browser and reopen Chat to refresh device detection. You're ready to join? Click Start Video or Join to enter the chat with camera active. Once in, use mute and video on /off toggles to control presence. Remember that bandwidth affects quality, so reduce resolution if someone reports lag. If video fails, check operating system privacy settings and confirm the browser still has camera permission. If problems persist, restart your computer, update or reinstall the webcam driver, and then retry. This sequence addresses most hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.